Hey Larry, Troy with Mercedes-Benz Scottsdale. Just thought I'd make a quick video for you on our 2020 C63 Coupe. This is one of my favorite cars that we have in inventory right now. First of all, it's a C63, so that's awesome. You got a 4-liter bi-turbo V8 underneath the hood that puts out 469 horsepower, 479 pounds of torque. That's mated to an AMG-tuned multi-clutch 9-speed multi-clutch transmission. That'll launch this bad boy from 0 to 60 in only 3.8 seconds. Also, this car is blacked out with the AMG night package, so all the elements really match this paint really well. Get more black filling on the front of the bumpers. The wheel, these wheels that are the multi-spoke forged wheels fit in well with that, with all the black trim around the windows and rear spoiler as well. Car does have the AMG performance exhaust system standard on the 63 models. Those ones are finished in black chrome as part of the night package. There's a button that we can press on the inside, which I'll show you. That'll open up the exhaust baffling, so if you really want to let that AMG roar and hear that nice engine tone, you definitely have the option to. Also, keyless hands-free access. Just kick my foot underneath, trunk pops open. In this coupe, you have a deep, deep trunk, and the seats do fold down, so you can get a lot of luggage or golf clubs or even a bicycle through this. Let's take a look at the inside. The interior of this car matches the outside really well. You got the AMG black suede Dynamica inserts. A little bit cooler for when the car does get hot. Some of the features here in the center console here are AMG specific to this car. So we have the exhaust button right there. This car does have the 360 camera view as well for self-park. And suspension settings, which you have active suspension in this car, so you can tune it to a sport mode or a comfort mode depending on how you feel. And the AMG dynamic selector also will control engine management, transmission shift mode, and steering wheel tension. A couple of the updates they've made for the 2020 is this new, larger 10.25-inch screen and updated system. You do have a standard smartphone interface. You can plug your phone in to run CarPlay or Android Auto, which will allow you to use all of your phone's map system, messages, music. This car does have navigation as well if you prefer to use that way. Also, the dash on this car has the updated digital dash with an AMG specific format to it. And you can change the inlay of this to multiple different settings, and depending how you want to see whether you want to have the tach on the left or the right, speedometer, so completely customizable. Lots and lots of great features. If you have any more questions about the car, please give me a call, 480-570-6643. Thanks.